Let's start with chords. A chord is simply a polygon with 4 sides. If you create a default cube in Blender, every face is chord. Chords are the preferred polygon type because they create clean edge loops, making models much easier to edit later. They also subdivide very smoothly. Notice how the surface becomes smooth while the topology remains clean. That's because subdivision algorithms work best with 4-sided polygons. Another advantage is animation. Characters, animals, and organic models usually deform much better when they are mostly built with chords because the edge loop follow the natural flow of the model. So whenever you are modeling something that will be subdivided or animated, chords are usually the best choice. Let's look at triangle. A triangle is simply a polygon with 3 sides. Many beginner thinks triangles are bad and should never be used, but that's actually a common misconception. In fact, every modern graphic card and every game engine render model as a triangle. Even if your model is made entirely from chords, Blender or the game engine eventually converts those faces into triangles behind the scenes. So triangles themselves are not the problem. The real issue is where they are placed. On a flat surface or static hard surface objects, triangles usually work perfectly fine. However, if a triangle is placed in an area that needs smooth subdivision or deformation, it can create pinching, uneven shading, or unwanted surface artifacts. So triangles are completely acceptable when you use in the right place. Let's talk about Ngon. An Ngon is any polygon that has more than 4 sides. 5 sides, 6 sides, 8 sides, it doesn't matter, they all are Ngons. Blender allows you to create Ngons, and they can actually make the modeling process much faster. For example, when blocking out a hard surface model, leaving a large flat face as an Ngon can save a lot of time. But problems appear when you start subdividing the mesh. Blender has to guess how to split that large polygon entirely. Since there are many possible ways to triangulate that Ngon, the resulting topology is often unpredictable. This can cause pinching, shading artifacts, and poor edge flow, especially on curved surface. On perfectly flat surface, an Ngon is often harmless. But on curve or deforming geometry, it's usually better to convert it into clean chords before finishing the model. So instead of asking which polygon is good, a better question is which polygon is appropriate for this situation.